Y'all think y'all on the road, man. Big ass truck, man. Big ass truck. Where the fuck you going, dude? Where the fuck you think you were going? Literally, bro. Where the fuck you think you going? Y'all look at this shit. Dumbass. You a stupid motherfucker, man. Stupid motherfucker, huh? I don't give a fuck. It's on him. Whatever wrong with it, it's on him. You a stupid man. God. Come around that curve. I guess he thought the way it looked like he tried to pass it. Looked like he tried to pass it right here. Come on, man. We already in our lane, man. We in our lane. Stupid ass. I hope you guys been insured, boy. I hope you guys been. Oh, you looking at the Geico? Yeah. He got Geico. Yeah. I need all that info. All of that. Yeah. Damn, boy, you just fucked up my day, man. Stupid motherfucker, man. Big ass truck. How you can't see that? Stupid motherfucker, man. That's what that dumb ass get, though. Y'all think y'all goddamn, y'all don't respect these trucks, man. Got your shit smushed in. Stupid ass. Stupid motherfucker, man. Now I'm about to be late with my shit. Look at this shit, man. Where the fuck you think you going, bro? Look at this shit. Look at this shit. I guess he thought he had no room to squeeze through that motherfucker, y'all. Where the fuck he going? He hit the back of the truck, bro. Ain't like he caught us up here like he really had a chance. This nigga hit the back of the motherfucker, bro. Stupid motherfucker, bro. I fucked up my day, man.